Right, welcome back everybody. Right, this time I'm going back over something I've already done, because the window that I put in on the driver's side, which I didn't actually film when I done it anyway, is really badly scratched. I don't know whether the camera will pick it up. It might do. I don't know if you can see it, but anyway, it is. So I need to take it back out again, and then the one that I broke up, I'm going to put the glass out of that in, which it seems to be much better, but I do need to give it a clean up just to be sure. Alright, so the first thing I need to get is old glass out. So we'll pop this rear runner off when we put that round the right way. I'd already replaced this piece here. These rot out quite often. So I think I need to undo these as well to get enough. No. Can't quite get enough to slide it off the end of the runners on that. So I have to undo these three here as well. I don't think you need to undo the other side. That one's out. Oh, I might have to undo the other one as well. Oh no, yeah you can. There we go, and that's that out. I didn't really want to undo these unless I really had to. I wanted to give these all a bit of a spray up and that as well anyway, so just some white grease just to make my hands nice and dirty. Right, I'll go and get the other window and then I'll pop that back in, just like that. Right, I'll clean this one up. Even this one's got some scratches in it, but it's not as bad as that one. I don't think it'll pick up on the camera, so I'm not going to try that. front one's looking now. Good. Get this lined up. Oh, I don't want a long one in there. You've got to have short ones in here, otherwise the window will catch them. Right, just going to go and wipe my hands, then I'll be back. Right, I'm back, so you get this bit back up there now. A bit awkward. It's easy if you take that off really, to be honest. It does go. I might need to adjust this slightly, but hopefully that should be see, I think I need to adjust that bottom over just a touch because it's still going all the way down. But there we go, all the way down now. way up. Hopefully. Yeah, I've got a bit of an odd gap there as well. I don't know if you probably can't see that, but I can't move this, so I'm going to have to live with it. It's better than it was. Guess the torque come up very slowly. Yeah, anyway, that's fitting in the window, so that's another job jobbed. We'll give that some